Welcome to AI PitchLab, a revolutionary product from Koncert designed to transform sales training. AI PitchLab allows your team to practice with purpose and pitch with unwavering confidence. This powerful add-on to Koncert unlocks your team's full potential, providing a safe space for growth. Reps can rehearse sales pitches in a real-time, interactive environment, free from the pressure of a live call. Train smarter by practicing handling objections, refining messaging, and adapting tone, all within a safe AI environment. Persona-based simulations allow you to choose from multiple buyer personas across industries and roles. You can even create your own personas based on your specific prospects, tailoring the training precisely. With on-demand roleplay, practice anytime, without calendar coordination or manager availability required. Elevate every pitch before the real call, ensuring every rep shows up better prepared and more confident. Ramp up new reps faster, help new hires get certified and productive in record time. Whether it's mastering talk tracks or overcoming objections, AI training bots accelerate onboarding. Train before you dial. New reps can practice and improve before real outreach begins, minimizing early mistakes. Interactive role plays provide realistic, dynamic conversations that make training stick and knowledge retention soar. Ready to power up your sales training? Request a demo today and experience the future of sales enablement.